Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Cooking with Chef and More. We are getting ready to make tofu, crispy orange tofu. And I'm going to show you just how to do it. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, and made from scratch, subscribe guys, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be there every time I upload another amazing recipe. Let's get busy. Okay guys, so the first thing we need to do is cut and release all the water from our tofu, or as much as we can. And I have organic, super firm tofu. So we're gonna take it out of the package. Now, if you have a tofu press, you could easily do that to get the water out of it. But as you can see, or I don't know if you can see this right here, it's got a lot of liquid in it. So the first thing we're going to do is to cut it. We're just gonna cut it into bite-sized chunks so that we can fry it all up. Guys, and this is what we want. This is the kind of chunk that we want. Alrighty. Now guys, because I don't have a tofu press, I'm just going to press this in between some cloth for about 30 minutes. I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. You could use a kitchen towel. This is actually an apron, guys, so you can use any material, but it's nice and cotton. And so I thought it would work really well. And we're just gonna put it all on here. Set that aside. Leave it in a single layer. Now we're gonna press this to get as much water out of here as we can for about 30 minutes. The longer you can press it, the better it will be. Okay, so I'm just gonna fold this over this way. And this is pretty heavy, guys. This is solid iron, so I'm going to press it down. We will be back in about 30 minutes when our water has been released. Okay, guys, our tofu has sat just about long enough. Now, in order for it to be crispy, we're going to have to put some cornstarch on it. And to this cornstarch, get it to come out of there, we're going to add a little paprika, and I will have everything in the description, guys, as far as measurements. A little salt, and just a little bit of black pepper. Okay, we want to mix this around really well. Okay, guys, let's see what we have. Set this aside. Okay, and as you can see, it's good and wet. That's how much moisture we got out of our tofu. Okay, so we just want to put this in here. No rhyme or reason for putting it in. Okay, guys, just want to make sure it's all well coated. Once we're all coated, now it's time to get it fried up. Okay, guys, to our skillet. We're going to fry this on a medium-high heat, and we want to add a little oil. You don't need a lot. We're not deep frying it, but you do need a little oil in the bottom of your skillet there. And we'll probably have to do these in a couple of batches. That should be enough. We're going to let this get nice and hot, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, I think my skillet is where we want it to be. We'll try one piece and see. Yes. See the bubbles coming around? That's what we want. That's exactly what we want. Just want to put them in here, and you can use tongs if you want. Just want to get them in here flat, and then we're going to brown them on all sides, making them nice and crispy, guys. Okay, guys, we've been cooking for a few minutes. I think it's time for us to turn them over. Remember, you're going to have to do all sides. Going to have to do all sides. Yes, they are looking good, looking good. Look at that, guys. Look how crispy that is. Isn't that delicious? And it smells amazing. Oh my goodness. It's okay if you turn some over on the side because you have to crispy up all sides. Okay, this is the last batch, guys. As you can see, they are nice and crispy and looking delicious. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Okay, so guys, we're going to start off with orange juice. Got about 1.5 cups of OJ there. We're going to add some soy sauce, sugar, vinegar, ginger, and I will have all the ingredients and amounts in the description. That is minced garlic, some water, and little red pepper flakes. Okay, guys, we're going to get this mixed up and let it blend for a few minutes here. And then we're going to go in and make a slurry for it. So we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we got a good boil on our orange sauce going, so we're going to add a slurry. But before we add the slurry, I'm going to temper it like I tell you guys to do when you're adding a slurry. Add some of that hot liquid in first so that you won't get those clumps, and then stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Just going to add this in, and then we're going to wait for it to thicken up to the consistency that we want. Now that consistency, guys, will be whatever consistency you want. You might want your sauce thicker than me. I might want mine thicker than you. Oh, it's looking good. It's looking good. Guys, this smells amazing. Look at that color. Oh my goodness. Okay. Guys, look at that sauce. Isn't that looking good? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get it a little bit thicker. Okay, guys, I'm going to turn this down a little bit, and we are going to just now add our tofu back in here and get it quoted. Get it quoted. We're not quoting it. Get it coated. Get it coated, guys. Let me do this way. Be probably a little bit easier. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Guys, we're going to serve this over rice. And if you want to know how to make some amazing rice, I'll have the link right above. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get this plated up, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we are all done. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. It smells delicious. Take a look, take a look. Doesn't that look good? Oh my goodness, you better make you some. And guys, if you claim you do not like tofu, guess what? You're not cooking it right. I'm just saying, I love my meat, but this is delicious. It's delicious also. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh my goodness. Have a bite, have a bite, have a bite. You can see the steam coming out. Oh my goodness, guys. Ooh. Don't want to burn my mouth. Don't want to burn my mouth. Oh my goodness. And the orange. This is amazing. I'm trying to buy some time, let it cool down a bit. You can't tell me I'm not eating chicken. I'm telling you, look at me. I'm wasting it. You cannot tell me I'm not eating chicken. Oh my goodness, guys. If you are not subscribed to me, what are you waiting on? Guys, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up. Share me out, share me out, share me out. The one thing you can do for me, guys, is keep sharing my videos. Share them out, share them out, share them out. Guys, this is amazing. Drop down in the comments. Have you had tofu? Do you like tofu? And if you tell me you don't, I want you to cook this dish. If you like chicken, you can't tell me you won't like this dish. It is that good. And guys, for all of you all who are subscribed to me already, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Guys, I got some eating to do. Otherwise, I'm gonna stand here and eat this whole bowl. I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Oh my goodness.